Good morning, guys. Happy weekend. So, it's a nice day today. And the one that I'm gonna unbox today is inside box. So, if you like shopping, haul, or unboxing, you're in the right channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Alfie ET. So, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a different unboxing today. It's not shoes, it's not a bag, and it's not clothes, but this time it's gonna be a baseball cap or hat. So this one, I bought it at Neiman Marcus, and it's a very special hat, guys. So when I bought it online, and it comes with this box, like the hot box, um, or something. So, this is from Salvatore Ferragamo, guys, and so here it goes, Salvatore Ferragamo, and it's size 60. It says here size 60, and it's made in Italy. And this color is blue. I think it's blue color, right? So I haven't wear this hat for because I was growing my hair and it doesn't fit my head anymore. But I will try today if it still fit me, guys. And it comes with a tag right there. A lot of stuffing inside, guys. And this one also comes with this ribbon, I think. Yeah, when I bought it online. And, oh, sorry guys, I bought it at Saks Fifth Avenue right there. And so this is like a greeting, the card that comes with it. Yeah, so it's a baseball cap. It says the color was Nero. No price, and this maybe I already thrown it away. So the receipt comes with this black envelope right here, and maybe it's in the other box. So I think I bought this on sale, guys. I think it was 150 something, and originally it was $400, guys. So yeah, so everything was here, and this is color blue. So I bought 3 of them, guys, because it was on sale. So the famous logo is in the front, and then it says here Salvatore Ferragamo, and then this one have buttons here so you can adjust it, to your size. And I don't know if it still fits me, but I will try it on to you guys. So, and then in the button it also says Salvatore Ferragamo right there. And so this is the blue color hat or baseball cup. So yeah, so this one comes inside this box, and it comes with a lot of stuff, things like that. And let me show you the other one, guys. So, alright guys, so again, this is another Salvatore. So this one is black color and same size. I think everything is 60 right here, and it says Salvatore made in Italy. And this one is in leather, baseball cap. So that is the black one. So the black one has a red logo sign in here and Salvatore Ferragamo right there. So it's the same thing. So it has like a button meant here on the back right there. So that is the black color. The red color, and it has gold buttons right here. So both the blue and the black have silver button, but this one have gold in it. And the same style, everything the same color. So the red color also has a red logo in here, Salvatore Ferragamo there. So everything is leather and same size, 60, made in Italy right there, Salvatore Ferragamo. And so those are my 3 hats. So everything was on sale when I purchased it online, and it also comes with all of this stuff with ribbons and everything. So, and it was on sale. It was like $400 if it's not on sale, guys. So anyways, try it on, guys. So I don't know if it still fits me, even though it has you know, even though you can adjust it. And yeah, so let me see if it fits me. Okay, hold on for a moment. Alright guys, so I tried the black one. Yeah, and it still fit me. The leather on this hat, this baseball cap, stretchable, I think, because when I wear it, it's kind of like stretch you know, in my head. And like the adjustment is all the way here, you know, the first one, because I have a big head. So yeah, but it kind of is stretchable, guys. So that's the black one. That's a black baseball cap, Salvatore one. And then let me see the blue one, guys. Yes, you can see blue here. So this is the blue one, and the logo is visible because it's white color. And if you know, if people know Salvatore Ferragamo and they know you're wearing the brand, you know what I mean, because of the logo. So that is the blue leather baseball cap. And now I'm gonna try the red one, guys. So this is the red color, and the logo is there. It's kind of like dark because it's also red. And yeah, so I bought 3 of them. I got overboard. And yeah, but I remember when I bought it, there's only like 3 left of each color. So that's why I bought it, because it's on sale. So yeah, but my favorite of the 3 was this one, the blue one, because yeah, I don't know, because the red is kind of like look weird when I wear it. So let me try to wear this blue again. Let me see if I can wear it like this way. So yeah, so I wear it backwards, guys, so you can see. So yeah, so that is the button right there. This one have a silver button, and you can also wear it like that. And let me put it back, guys. So yeah, so the blue matches my sweater right here. Yeah, so anyways, so I think this is like a vegan leather. I don't remember. I think it's kind of like vegan leather or kind of like calf leather. So yeah, so anyways, hopefully you guys like this video, this baseball cap unboxing. And I bought it 2018, guys. So yeah, so this one not available anymore. Still sell hats on their website, but it doesn't, you know, this one is a different design. So yeah, and I don't know if I'm gonna wear it again. Maybe I'll wear it this coming summer. Yeah, so anyways, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe.